Good afternoon, I'm Jeremy Shinton, Product Manager for Modular PLCs and SCADA, and this demonstration area is for the compact safety which operates using the FX5 PLC. So we have an FX5 PLC and multiple safety modules working in this demonstration. The ability to do multiple e-stop or safety stopping, functional safety stopping capabilities are available on this demo. We can simply hit an e-stop and the servo systems come to a stop immediately. Both the servo systems are incorporating the D30 module, which is a safety device applied to them too. They link in with the FX5 UC and the safety modules and allow us to do safety stops such as using the light curtain operation, but also things such as safe limited speed, which allows operators to make modifications, set up a machine or do some work whilst the machine's running in slow or safe speed. Thank you.